Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to take a look at how the Avengers scripts got leaked. Keep watching to find out how. Okay, so apologies for the slightly clickbaity title, but this is actually based on reality, so bear with me. Now, obviously scripts do get leaked, data gets compromised and all those kinds of things. Now we're going to look today at how that happens and how to prevent it. This is a very typical scenario in pretty much most workplaces, offices, wherever there's a computer, this kind of thing is likely to happen. Oh, hi, Mike, you got a USB drive I can borrow a minute? I'm in a real hurry. Oh, yeah, okay, sure. Thanks. Obviously, the last thing you want to do is to hand over to somebody your USB drive, even if it is just for a few minutes for them to do a quick BIOS update or quickly print out a document. It's not the greatest of ideas, but if needs must and you do have to give up your storage device, be it a hard disk drive, a flash drive, an SD card from your camera, that kind of thing, then you can take some precautions to prevent your data going astray. Now, this particular USB drive contains some very sensitive information, so we definitely don't want that to be seen by other people. It could land me in legal trouble. It basically is a bad thing. I'm going to show you now how we get around it. Now, the best thing I like to do is to format the drive. That is a reasonably secure way of doing it, although people can still recover your files using easy software programs like Recover, which we'll probably go into in a later video. But these are free tools. You can put an SD card in or USB card and you can recover files which haven't been overwritten. So my best advice is to use CCleaner, and in the tools section you can use the drive wiping tool. Now I'm going to go to the computer and show you exactly how to do this so you can protect your files. Okay, so we're on the computer, we've got our USB drive installed and there's the folder, so obviously we've got some pretty top secret stuff here. Now obviously these files aren't real, just examples of what it could be on a flash drive. So I'm pretty sure Mr. Downey wouldn't like his preferred sandwich shops leaked to the rest of the world, and nor would the expenses for Avengers 4 like to be leaked either. So let's get rid of that. And we need to open CCleaner. Now if you haven't got CCleaner already, you can download it from pureform.com. I'll put some links in the description below so you can get it for yourself. And in the cleaner option, you've got cleaner, registry, etc., which we've talked about previously on videos, but we've not gone into the tools section before. So in tools, you choose the drive wiper, and you've got options here for how to wipe the drive. So you can do the entire drive, or you can just wipe the free space only. So if there's something on there you actually want to keep, but you don't mind other people seeing, you can choose to do a secure erase on the free space available on the drive. But for this instance, because we want to remove all the data, we're going to choose the entire drive. And with the security options, you've got the simple overwrite, advanced, complex, and very complex. So that does various passes over the data to make sure that it's completely erased. Now for this instance, I'm just going to do a simple overwrite because it's actually dummy data, so it doesn't really matter a great deal. And now I have to choose my drive. Now make sure you choose the correct drive. I cannot emphasize this enough. Make sure you definitely get the right drive when you're doing this, otherwise it could be really bad for you. Okay, so we've got a drive, and all you have to do is click on wipe. And you get a secondary warning. Warning, all data on selected disk drives will be erased. To proceed with this, type the word erase in here. Now you don't have to do it in uppercase, you can do it in lowercase, so let's type in erase and hit OK. And there we go, it's going to start erasing our drive. This does take quite a long time, which is probably a reason why a lot of people tend not to do it. But it is good practice and it is in your best interest to do this if at all possible, and just play the waiting game, and then you've got a nice, clean, secure flash drive. Okay, so that's been how to use CCleaner's drive wiping tool to protect your data. Hopefully this video's been useful for you. If it has, give it a big like, and don't forget to click on the subscribe icon at the bottom and also the bell notification so you'll be notified of all future video releases. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.